Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a compact yet powerful desktop computer, you've come to the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best mini PCs on Amazon in 2026. Whether you need a mini PC for work, home entertainment, online classes, business tasks, or light gaming, these compact machines deliver impressive performance while saving valuable desk space. We've selected these mini PCs based on performance, features, upgradability, value for money, and overall user experience. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. Taking the number 1 spot is the KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 4300U processor with 4 cores and 8 threads, this mini PC delivers excellent performance for multitasking, office work, media consumption, and everyday productivity. It comes equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a fast 512 GB SSD, ensuring smooth performance and quick boot times. The system also supports triple 4K displays through HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, making it ideal for professionals and power users. Pros: AMD Ryzen 4300U processor, 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD, triple 4K display support, compact and modern design, great value for productivity tasks. The KAMRUI Pinova P2 offers an excellent balance of performance, connectivity, and affordability, making it our top overall pick for 2026. Number 2. KAMRUI Essenx E1. Coming in at number 2 is the KAMRUI Essenx E1. This budget-friendly mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 3150U processor and comes with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD. Despite its affordable price, it supports dual 4K displays and includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Gigabit Ethernet connectivity. It's a great choice for students, home offices, and everyday computing needs. Pros: affordable price point, AMD Ryzen 3150U processor, dual 4K display support, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth included, compact and energy efficient. For users seeking a dependable and affordable mini PC, the Essenx E1 delivers excellent value. Number 3. ACEMAGIC Mini PC Windows 11 Pro. At number 3, we have the ACEMAGIC Mini PC. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 4300U processor, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, and a 512 GB SSD, this mini computer is built for smooth multitasking and productivity. It supports triple 4K displays and comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, making it a strong option for professionals, remote workers, and business users. Pros: AMD Ryzen 4300U processor, 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD, Windows 11 Pro preloaded, triple 4K monitor support, reliable performance for business tasks. The ACEMAGIC Mini PC combines performance, flexibility, and professional-grade features in a compact package. Number 4. ACEMAGICIAN M1 Mini PC. Taking the 4th spot is the powerful ACEMAGICIAN M1 Mini PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, this machine delivers outstanding performance for demanding workloads. It features 24 GB LPDDR5 memory, a 512 GB PCIe SSD, Radeon 680M graphics, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and 2.5G LAN connectivity. Triple 4K display support makes it suitable for creators, professionals, and even light gaming enthusiasts. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, 24 GB LPDDR5 memory, Radeon 680M graphics, Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5G LAN connectivity, excellent multitasking performance. If you need serious performance in a compact form factor, the ACEMAGICIAN M1 is one of the strongest mini PCs available. Number 5. BOSGAME E4. Rounding out our list is the BOSGAME E4 Mini PC. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 5 3550HS processor, 16GB DDR4 RAM, and a 512GB PCIe SSD, it delivers reliable performance for office work, streaming, and everyday computing. It also features dual gigabit Ethernet ports, USB-C connectivity, triple display support, and plenty of USB ports for accessories and peripherals. Pros: AMD Ryzen 5 3550HS processor, 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD, dual Ethernet ports, triple display support, great connectivity options. The BOSGAME E4 is a versatile mini PC that offers strong performance and connectivity for home and office users alike. That wraps up our top 5 best mini PCs on Amazon in 2026. Whether you're looking for an affordable everyday computer, a powerful business workstation, or a compact productivity machine, these mini PCs offer excellent performance and value for money. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.